Hello, welcome to all students. This is a small introduction to computers. So what is the use of computers and how we can use computers, or what is the fundamental of the computers? So introduction to computers is an article for students new to computers. So we are living in the information age depending upon the digital information. Digital information is the electronic information, the result of computer processing. Every type of job relies upon getting information, using it, managing it, and relaying information to others. Computers enables to efficient processing and storage of information. Do not think of computer merely a machine with a keyboard and the mouse, although that machine be true for some types of computers. Embedded computers may inside your household appliance, the VCR, the automobile plants, trains, power plants, water purifier plants, calculators, and even inside a few toys. So ante మామూలుగా computers only, what is the computer system? It contains one keyboard, mouse, and a CPU means central process unit, and the monitor means it is a CRT, and presently we are using different type of new monitors are coming in the market. So what are the different type of operations in computer system? The four operations of the computer system: input. Home computers are microcomputers. Input is a supplement the microcomputer with the use of keyboard. A mouse, another input device. These input device may be called peripheral device. This is the input. Another one is processing. Processing is done inside computer in area called central processing unit. Processing is the conversion input to output. Another one is storage. Storage means how to store the data on your computers. అంటే ఏదైనా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మీరు కంప్యూటర్లో స్టోర్ చేసుకోవాలంటే ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ స్టోరేజింగ్ ఆఫ్ ది డేటా ఇన్ టు కంప్యూటర్స్. Storage refers to holding information somewhere. RAM, random access memory, and random access memory is short term memory. It is a volatile memory because the memory is automatically erased when the power is turned off or interpreted. The RAM memory is located inside the computer case and the motherboard. A motherboard is not keyboard. A keyboard is what you type with. So RAM means read only memory, is not volatile, meaning the memory is still there when power is interpreted or turned off. When the computer is turned back again, RAM, read only memory, is still on the storage on the internal hard disk. Another there are different type of hardware and software hardware device available. One is the temporarily one is hard disk. Hard disk ante edaina information computer store cheyadaniki hard disk ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. Another one is output. Output is the result of computer process. Output may be viewed on the monitor screen, heard through speakers, printed on the printers, and forth. Output devices may be considered the hardware and also considered to be peripheral devices. So these are the output devices, means what are the output you are giving to information to you. So that is called output device. So this is a what is the basic computer system? A computer system refers to the computer and its equipment. Equipment like speakers, printers, keyboard, scanners. Keyboard means what are the information you want to type on the computer, that is called a keyboard. Printer means it is a what are the hard copy. Hard copy means whatever the data you want print output to the printer, means that is called printer. అంటే హార్డ్ కాపీ అంటే ఏదైనా పేపర్ మీద ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ప్రింట్ చేయడానికి ప్రింటర్ యూజ్ అవుతుంది. స్పీకర్స్ మీన్స్ వాట్ ఆర్ ద హార్డ్వేర్ డివైస్ దట్ కెన్ బి ఇంప్లిమెంటెడ్ ఆన్ ద అవుట్పుట్. So your computer system cannot help you type a letter unless you have some type of software. So to do this means most typing handled by word processing program. A software program for your computer can be purchased at a store like office departments, Staples, or computer stores. So if already has word processing program installed, if you buy a computer program, large electronics chain stores, even if you have the travel out town, you will get a better price to rule than buying from a small chain store town. Ask in town first, then you willing to match another store advertised price. So buying a computer, it is the best to ask to computer features before you buy a computer. So this is the first question, ask yourself, what do I want computer to do? Do you need a email, a letter writing to you? If graphics and web page authoring, will you also want extra storage? So if you want buy any computer, you have to first ask the configuration of the system. So first you have to think about the computer and what type of computer you need. You ask the buyer and you can take the information from the shop and you take decision. So this is a small introduction to computers and computer peripherals and computer devices.